I assure you inside of this mystery white box is the new DJI Mavic 3 Pro, and today I'm going to be unboxing it and tell you exactly what you get. Now you might be thinking about picking up the Mavic 3 Pro, and DJI make it quite confusing which one to get. There's going to be 4 different versions, and today's video I'm going to talk to you about what you get inside of the combo version. So there's going to be 3 different combo versions and one which is just going to be the Mavic 3 and the DJI RC, so you don't get any of the extra kit. And then hopefully by the end of the video you'll have a good understanding on what to get. So firstly, inside of this white box you're going to get the new DJI shoulder bag. So you can't actually buy this on the DJI website. And as far as bags go, I actually really do like this. I think it is really nice and smart. It's well made. It's got a really super padded shoulder strap on it as well. So it's good for that single use. Now I've customized mine. So I have the Mavic 3 Pro, I have the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and also enough space to fit the RC Pro as well inside of this case. So it's really good and it's handy for just going to that one location and having the drones with you. You've also got a compartment at the top here where I can put my propellers, and at the back there is another slot, ignore the mud, where the ND filters can go. So this bag is decent. Now the bundles are also going to give you some extra power. You're going to get the DJI 100-watt USB-C power cable. Now I've got loads of these sent to me. You're just going to get one depending on which country you're in, but it also comes with the DJI 100-watt USB-C power adapter. And this is brilliant. It's going to have 2 USB-C ports on the side of it. So if you wanted, you could actually charge the drone and the DJI RC or RC Pro at the same time. So it's good that that comes bundled in. Now it's important to know, if you don't get this bundle version and you buy the cheapest version, you're just going to get the 65-watt portable charger. So you're not going to get the 100-watt version, and you're also not going to get that 100-watt power cable either. And I'll talk about in a second the advantage that that's going to bring you. But yes, this bag is decent. It's well made. I don't think it's waterproof, but overall I have been using it a lot and I enjoy it. So there's space there to put the propellers. You're also going to get 2 USB-C cables, so you could use one to charge a drone, the other one the controller. And talking of the controller, this is the RC Pro version, so it's like the creme de la creme of controllers. It's 1000 nits of peak brightness. You can actually load apps onto here. You can send an email. You can go onto YouTube if you really wanted to. But overall, it's just going to be better quality. It's got external antennas on here, so the signal's been phenomenal. That screen is much brighter than the normal DJI RC, and it's helped me because I've been filming the Mavic 3 Pro in really hot, harsh conditions, so really bright light. So having that brighter screen has been a huge help. But they're both fantastic controllers. The DJI RC is much lighter, easy to carry around with you, but this is why the price is so much significantly more, because the DJI RC controller is £879 just on its own. This is why the difference between the 2 combos vary so much, between £2,549 and £3,169. That's going to be the decision for you to make. But really, you can't go wrong with any controller. They're both fantastic. Now, you're also going to get in the combo 6 pairs of propellers. So if you do have a crash, which I hope you don't, you're going to have lots of different spares. Just keep them inside of the bag. Okay, and also inside of here, fantastic news, you're going to get the new 100-watt battery charging hub. So this will charge all 3 batteries in sequence, but this is the newer version. So you can see on the DJI website, you can get the 100-watt battery charger for £79, or the original one, which is £69. You're going to get the 100-watt version. So this will give you a full charge on the battery in about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Whereas the old version with the 65 watt is going to be 1 hour and 36. So it's about half an hour extra. Now, when you're actually charging 3 of these batteries, that half an hour is going to make a significant difference. You're also going to get 2 extra DJI Mavic 3 batteries. Now, these are the same Mavic 3 batteries that came with the Mavic 3 as well. These are fantastic batteries, going to give you 43 minutes of flight time. These on their own are £179 each. These are not cheap. So you get 2 of these, 1 in the drone, so you're going to get 3 in total. And then onto the Mavic 3 Pro itself, it still comes in the DJI GIMP mask, so that's good. It keeps the actual camera nice and secure, the propellers in there. And this is it. And this is one hell of a drone. What a beast this is. I've been having so much fun flying this. So let's get this GIMP mask off and I'm going to show you the actual drone itself. So it has another battery just there. They never come charged. So this is it, and just look at that camera. This is what you are paying for. This is what all the money is on. It's on this new camera system with 24, a 70mm and 166mm dedicated tele lenses. This is an absolute animal, and the quality that comes from this is phenomenal. So it's the same size as the Mavic 3, Mavic 3 Classic, but this is heavier. It weighs 958 grams, or the Cine version is 963 grams. And the added weight is due to this absolutely enormous camera on the front of it. Just look, the Mavic 3 has a big camera setup, but it doesn't compare in any way to the Mavic 3 Pro with this monster of a camera on the front. And you can see from a side angle here just how much it sticks out. This has never been seen before on a folding drone, to have a camera this big. And these are not just gimmicky lenses, these are dedicated tele lenses which just bring absolute exceptional quality. So if you do have a Mavic 3 and you're upgrading and you've got some spare batteries, you can use the same batteries, so that's really good. And I think this is the best DJI bag that they've included. It comes with this really nice fabric inside of it, so your drones, your controllers are not going to get scratched in here. And it's one of those bags that I think I was going to take around with me just for those single trips. I can store my drones in here. I can put either the DJI RC or RC Pro, and it's a really good setup. It doesn't weigh too much either. And the combo version also comes with DJI ND filters, so you're going to get ND filters inside of this nice case. It's an ND 8, 16, 32 and 64, and they're really good ND filters actually. So I've been using these while I've been flying the drone. All my videos are using these ND filters, and these come bundled inside of the bundle version. That's a mouthful. But yeah, these are really good. They come in this tin and you can just store them inside of the bag itself. Mavic 3 Pro, so what do we think? Is this going to be the drone that you're going to pick up? Well, I've had an absolute blast reviewing and testing this drone this last few weeks. The 3x tele lens on here is simply the best lens I've ever used. It's phenomenal. It gives you like that added perspective that you can zoom in really close at 166 millimeters, or you could use a 3x 70 millimeter, then you can get the wide shot at 24 millimeter. It just gives you so many options, and it's been fantastic. So now you're not just limited to having a wide angle shot and then a digital zoomed in shot. You're actually getting a dedicated 70mm tele lens and dedicated 166mm lens, so you can get 3 different shots in the same location. And that's what this is, the biggest upgrade is. Everything else is the same on this actual drone compared to the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic. You are paying for those tele lenses. If you want to get this, then this is a fantastic drone. So which version should you get? If you have all the money and you need it for pro work, then you've got the Cine version, which is nearly $5,000. That comes with the RC Pro, and the Cine version is going to give you ProRes and 1 terabyte of storage. Most people aren't going to need that at all. So it starts at £1,879. Now for £670 more, you're going to be able to get the RC combo version. So is it worth it? I think it is, considering you're going to get the bag, the ND filters, the 2 extra batteries, the 100 watts of actual power brick and adapters, so you can be able to charge your batteries faster. I think it's worth it. And then the choice maybe is between the RC or the RC Pro and which controller to get. I would say for majority of people, the RC is just going to be more than good enough. If you're filming in really bright conditions, then maybe upgrade to the RC Pro. It is also a lot faster as well, so swapping lenses between the 1x to the 3x to the 7x is a lot faster using the RC Pro, but it's going to come down to budget, and is that difference going to be worth it between them 2 controllers? In relation to the actual combos, both are identical. You just got to choose which controller combination to get. So I hope you really enjoyed that. I've got loads more content coming really soon. If you want to pick up this combination, any of these, I'm going to link it down in the description at the top below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.